Hello, my name is Cynthia, and this is my reflection on SDI instructions for Samari. To begin with, let's start off knowing the differences between differentiation, modification, and accommodation. Differentiation means adapting how we teach content based on a student's learning style, interest, or readiness, like using visuals or sentence starters for Samari. Modification changes what the student is expected to learn. For Samari, that means reducing the number of questions or simplifying the tasks. Accommodations provide support to help students access the same content. For example, giving Samari more time or letting her listen to a text instead of reading independently. For Samari, I use differentiation by pre-teaching vocabulary with visuals and offering graphic organizers. I use modifications by adjusting comprehension questions to yes or no format. And I use accommodations like oral reading, support, and flexible sitting. I developed Samari's activity by focusing on her IEP goals in reading, writing, and behavior. Knowing she responds well to visuals in small groups, I use structured sentence building tasks and reading support aligned to her interest in animals and cause and effect. I also included self-regulation tools to help with her impulsivity. This kind of SDI not only supports Samari's learning, but helps her stay engaged and successful in the general classroom setting. Let me go over more stuff. For the activities, for the pre-lesson, we can use visuals and sentence strips like the if-then ecosystem, cause and effect sentences. If the B disappears, then blank happens. We can use errorless learning with 2 choices per sentence aligned to your IEP writing goal. During the lesson, participate in small group read aloud and simplified science text to support. She can use a visual story map organizer to track what happened in the ecosystem, and she can answer yes or no or multiple comprehension questions with support. For motivation and engagement tools, she can earn tokens for on-task behavior. She can use digital comprehension tools like Boom Cards, Epics, iPad Reader for self-paced practice, and allow choice in how she shows understanding. It could be through drawing, oral response, or simple written answers. For the actions, when it comes to the pre-planning, we can review her IEP goals, identify lesson vocabulary and reading complexity, and plan grouping and support. And this ensures instruction is targeted and inclusive and avoids any last-minute changes. During the planning phase, we can co-teach and adapt the lesson delivery, assign small group roles, and share behavior reinforcement strategies. This promotes consistent behavior, supports, and instructional expectations. And for the post-planning, we can review the data, which is Samari responses, just support, communicate with parents about progress and behavior as requested in the IEP, and this ensures accountability, family partnership, and progress monitoring. And that is it. Thank you so much.